Hello, everyone. Would you like pizza? Me too. Oh no, everything fell. It doesn't matter. We will prepare a new miniature New York-style pizza. For this, we will need garlic. Let's remove the excess and cut it thinly and finely. Also an onion and a tomato. Let's light up the stove and time to fry it. I'll take a saucepan, pour oil in there, and get down to business. To make cooking go faster, you need to stir the vegetables with a spoon. Great! It's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Also some salt and water to make an appetizing tomato sauce. It seems to have boiled. We can remove it from the stove now. Now, let's mix flour, cornstarch, water, and some yeast in a separate bowl to make an amazing dough. Let's leave it for half an hour and take care of the vegetables. First of all, we will cut broccoli. Remove the leg and cut it into small pieces. Then we need to peel and slice the shrimp. It will give our pizza a special charm. There we go. That's perfect. When all the ingredients have been prepared, you can roll out the dough and start making our pizza. First comes tomato sauce. Smear it all over. Then grated cheese, broccoli, shrimp, and basil. Hurry, we can bake our pizza. In just a few minutes, we'll get a great result. Well, there you go. Enjoy your meal. I can finally try peas. Look at this cheese! Wow! Guys, this is a true culinary masterpiece. You'll lick your fingers. Thank you, friends. Put likes and subscribe to the channel to watch more cool videos. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.